forms a cavity and rearrangement of cells. Try to understand. Earlier it is a solid mass of cell, this is a solid mass of cell, this is the morula. Uterine secretions enter inside it and the cells are rearranged in two groups, the outer cell mass and inner cell mass. This is the outer cell mass and inner cell mass. So, this is outer cell mass, this is inner cell mass, and this cavity is known as the blastocele. This is morula, this is converted into blastocyst. When the cavity is formed, then morula is known as the blastocyst. This blastocyst, it appears on 5th day after fertilization. This outer cell mass, initially they are thus one type of cells only. When the cavity is formed, cells are arranged in two parts, outer cell mass which forms trophoblast and the inner cell mass, it forms embryoblast. Now, see the further development. We focus in trophoblast, cells are rapidly dividing. So, what happens the next? The cells of the trophoblast, they are rapidly dividing. So, they pushed outside and they divide into two groups, cytotrophoblast and syncytiotrophoblast. This is cytotrophoblast, this is syncytiotrophoblast. Cytotrophoblast, this is the inner part, syncytiotrophoblast, this is the outer part. Syncytium, it has no cell membrane, no cell membrane. This is secretory in function, secretory in function. What it secrete? HCG is secreted. Human chorionic gonadotropin hormone is released by syncytiotrophoblast. This cyto and syncytiotrophoblast, they form chorionic villi. Both cyto and syncytiotrophoblast, they form chorionic villi. These chorionic villi, they are three types: primary villi, secondary villi, and tertiary villi. Primary villi, when does it appear? It appears on 13th day. Secondary villi, it appears on 16th day. Tertiary villi, it appears on 21st day. Villi are the finger-like projections. This is the villi. These are finger-like projections. See how they appear on the surface of blastocyst. This is the blastocyst. The cells, these are the cytotrophoblast. The finger-like projections appear on the surface of blastocyst like this. And this primary villi, it has only two layers. This is the cytotrophoblast and outside is the syncytiotrophoblast. So, primary villi, it has only two layers. The secondary villi, what it contain? Cytotrophoblast forms extra embryonic mesoderm. So, in secondary villi, what changes occurs here? This is a villi which contains cytotrophoblast. This is syncytiotrophoblast, and inside the cytotrophoblast there is extra embryonic mesoderm. So, this is the new tissue which appear in secondary villi. Now, the next is the tertiary villi, which is the final villi. What happens in tertiary villi? Extra embryonic mesoderm, fetal angiogenesis, appears in extra embryonic mesoderm. So, see what happens. This is the villi, this is lined by cytotrophoblast. This is the syncytiotrophoblast. Cytotrophoblast forms a new tissue that is known as the extra embryonic mesoderm. This extra embryonic mesoderm is pierced by fetal blood capillaries. So, this is the tertiary villi. Now, this space between two tertiary villi is known as intervillous space. Space between two tertiary villi is known as intervillous space, which is filled by maternal blood. So, I am talking about this space. See, this space, this is the intervillous space, which is filled by the maternal blood. So, this is all about the development of the chorionic villi. One question: type of placenta formed in human beings. This is hemochorial type. Heme is the mother tissue. This is mother tissue. chorial, this is the fetal tissue. Now, the next point is the development of embryoblast. Now, focus on the development of embryoblast, that is the inner cell mass. Now, again come back, this is the blastocyst, where this is the outer cell mass, that is the trophoblast. I am showing with a single black line, and this is the inner cell mass, that is the embryoblast. What happens, this structure, this cavity is known as blastocele. This is blastocele. So, what happened? Cells of embryoblast facing to blastocele, they change their shape and becomes cuboidal. They form endoderm, the first germ layer. When does it appear?